welcome back to another review from our channel. This time we're gonna review in the Z9, the big one, and let's look how it is inside, how is the performance, the temperature, the noise. We just received one of the first one. I cannot wait to unpack it. Let's go into it. Okay. I have to say the box at the beginning when we receive it and I was loading it, it wasn't so heavy. So considering that, it should be lighter inside, like normal. Much better than the E3, I have to say. We have the manual like always. It looks compact, let's see. And here it is. Actually, the side I would say is like to having two Z9 minis, one on top of the other, but this time it's closed, of course. We have here on the back the boards. On the top we have the power cables. You have two each one, so in total will be 6 plus the motherboard PCI Express power cable. Okay. In front, like always, we have the Ethernet cable, the two fans, and like before, no fans on the back. Let's turn it on and see how it performs. Okay, we have it connected right now with the power supply that we're using. The same is 1600 power supply EVGA. Let's turn it on and see the noise level on this machine. Now let's gonna see the temperature on the computer. What we're gonna do in order to record the video, we're gonna load the power of the fans just a little bit to see. So right now we have it 100%. Let's put it automatic up to 50. Save and apply. Okay, now the fans are at 50%. The first thing we want to know, because everyone wants to know this, is if we can overclock or not. And the answer is yes, but not too much. Actually, we go to advanced settings on the miner. So now here we are in the Antminer. The first thing we're gonna log in, and then we're gonna go to miner configuration. This Anminer that we have online, you can overclock. Actually, what happened with BeamMail the first time, you cannot overclock, and the advanced settings, what you have was before here, what you have was a balance and then the turbo boost mode. This turbo boost mode, maybe it will give you 550 megahertz, but now with this mode you get 675. And then you can see here, this is the Z9 system, Z9 Antminer, and for the miner status you see is 6163 kilo hatches, which is more than perfect for this Antminer. Now, when you overclock, you have to keep in mind two things. The first one is temperature. Remember, it's gonna go up to maybe 75, 76, depending on when you have your Antminer, which is normal, and also the water consumption. So the water consumption for this miner, when you overclock in these values, you will get 1448 watt consumption, which is normal, but you will need a powerful PSU or power supply. Like for example, the one that we're using is the EVGA 1600. This one will be perfect for it. We have been running this miner for about, you see it goes down to 58, they go back to 50, 62, 63, but it's stable, it's like 60, 61. So you get a very good performance compared with the just 40 that the BeamMail announced, and sometimes if you make turbo boost you can get 50. Now here you get 10 kilo hatches more, like another Z9 mini. So here you see all the zeros on the ASIC status that it means is working perfect, and elapsed time you can see we're working for 4 hours 24 minutes and 48 seconds. which is good. It's stable and it's working. We try, for example, if you go to mining configuration, you can try it even 750, but we try all of them, and they always have some problems. So it's better to keep with the 670, 675, or 650 for some other people. This one here right now is the best Antminer that we have on the market. We can say that. It's the compact size. You get a lot of kilo hashes per second and not too much water consumption. This one, for example, we're talking about stock values, 46 kilo hashes is giving you around, okay, this one is giving you around, with 46 kilo hashes right now with the price of today, is giving you $688. It's giving you $788. That's without electricity, because that's depend on your state, how much you pay for your kilowatt per hour, and then you have to calculate that. But without electricity, we're talking about 788. But something to keep in mind is that the price, for example, for the Z9 Mini, we had it for $1,090, and compared with the Z9, is we're talking about $3,890. So just for $1,000, you get a machine that gives you $256 per month. So what we think about the Z9 now that we receive it. For sure, this is the best Antminer you can find online. You get a good performance. You can put it in the, sometimes you can put it in the garage. It's a little bit noisy, but you can use it. Put it defense at 50% if you want. And for the money that you spend on this machine, you get your money back. It should be around 3 to 4 months. So the best machines online is right now the Antminer Z9, the big one. This machine you can find online, also the Z9 Mini in our website. The links are below, SharkMining.com. If you have any question, contact our team. Also the email is below. You can write in a message in YouTube. I'm going to answer any question you may have. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and keep tuned for the next one. Bye bye.